welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to do unboxing and a try on haul because I received a new packages today. So there's a lot of orders that I received today. So I ordered it from the online store here in the Philippines. So I ordered it from Shopee. So I'm going to show all of you what I ordered. So all of the items that I ordered is is clothes. So there's a panty as well. So I am so excited to show all of you what I ordered. So just keep on watching. The first there's the item that I got. So I already opened the first package. So I'm going to share all of you what it's inside this cellophane. So the first item is this off-shoulder blouse. Still it's a color white. So it's here shoulder blouse as well. So here it is. This is what it looks like. So it's the design of it is very unique. Third item is a koan. It's a sports bra. It smells good. So this is what it looks like. So I love the design of it because it's very unique. So the fourth item is it's here. Actually, it's for men, but I really love wearing like this because it's so thick here in this part. That is why I always wear like these shorts. So I love this because it's a color yellow. So the fifth item is it's seamless short. Yeah, it's a seamless short. It's in a color nude. That's all for this cellophane. So I'm going to open this now. It's panty. It's 4 panties inside here. So let's open this. Wow! Oh guys, it's so nice. Wow, it's so very nice, guys. It's so thick. Very nice, and it has a black star. So the other panty is color purple, and it's a seamless panty as well. Wow, very nice, guys. It's so thick. No, very nice, very nice. Love that. So the next one is color blue. Color blue. Wow, super nice. It's thick as well. It's look like this. Very nice, guys. And next is color white. It's a color white. So it has no cellophane, just like this. Yes, it's nice. Nice, very nice. So I'm going to try this all items now. So just keep on watching. the items that I received today is very nice, and I really love it because the quality of it's very good. So I'm so thankful to the seller. So I hope you like this video, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Till my next video. I love you all. Bye.